Loctite 401, extremely versatile product we're using nearly every day on our race cars, even for running repairs of our driver seats.
Loctite 401, a cyan-acrylate fast bonder. Wherever is a quick solution needed to repair something and bond various substrates together, Loctite 401 is the best solution. For example, like carbon and rubber, everything gets bonded.
Loctite 401 we use for the sealing of our radiators in our cooling ducts, which is located underneath our side pod. I can show you on a spare part outside the garage.